Huawei has introduced a very interesting new feature on its latest flagship phones, the Mate 80 series and the Mate X7 Foldable, and it has nothing to do with audio recording or call recording. Instead, this new feature focuses on something many drivers struggle with every day: remembering where they parked their car. Huawei calls it automatic parking location recording, and it aims to make daily driving and parking much more stress-free. This new feature was revealed by Richard Yu, the consumer business chairman at Huawei Technologies. According to him, the Mate 80 and Mate X7 smartphones can now automatically record the exact parking location of your vehicle. This means you no longer have to rely on memory, photos, or random notes to remember where you left your car, especially in large parking garages or crowded areas. The idea behind automatic parking location recording is simple but very useful. When you park your car and exit the vehicle, your Huawei phone automatically saves the parking slot location. This happens without the user needing to manually open an app or press any button. Once the location is recorded, you can later check it on your phone and easily find your way back to the vehicle. What makes this feature even more impressive is how it works with indoor navigation. The Mate 80 and Mate X7 can guide users through indoor parking garages, even helping them navigate back to the exact elevator they used when leaving the parking area. This is especially helpful in large malls, office buildings, airports, or underground garages where GPS signals are usually weak or unavailable. In simple terms, even if you park your car, walk far away, take an elevator, and move around inside a building, your phone will still remember exactly where your car is parked. When it is time to return, you can use your Mate smartphone to locate the parking slot and navigate back to it with ease. Since the phone automatically records the parking position, users can keep an eye on their vehicle's location even after leaving the site. This adds peace of mind, especially for people who often forget where they parked or frequently visit busy locations with massive parking spaces. Accessing this feature is also quite straightforward. Mate smartphone users need to open the app related to their car brand on their phone. Inside the app, they should tap on the My Profile section. From there, users can select the Dynamic Management option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Next, users need to authorize location permissions. After granting these permissions, they should select Service Dynamics and then choose the parking option. Once this is set up, the phone can manage and display the vehicle's parking position whenever needed. According to Richard Yu, this feature is not limited to any specific car brand, which means it can work across a wide range of vehicles. Another key point is that the feature automatically activates when the driver exits the car. There is no need to manually start recording the location, which makes the experience seamless and user-friendly. This hands-free approach is likely to appeal to users who want smart features without extra steps. Currently, this automatic parking location recording feature supports more than 20,000 parking slots across China. Huawei has confirmed that this number will continue to grow over time as the system expands to cover more locations. This shows that Huawei is serious about building a strong ecosystem that connects smartphones, cars, and navigation services. While the feature is highlighted for the Mate 80 and Mate X7, it is not limited to these two devices alone. Huawei has confirmed that other flagship models also support it, including the Pura 80 series, Mate XT models, Mate 70 Pro Plus, and the RS Ultimate editions. This wider support ensures that more Huawei users can benefit from the feature. Overall, this automatic parking location recording feature adds real value to Huawei's flagship smartphones. It is a practical solution to a common problem and shows how smartphones can improve everyday experiences beyond basic communication. By combining smart navigation, location tracking, and automation, Huawei is pushing its devices closer to being true daily life assistants rather than just phones.